Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Let me take out a percentage sum. Okay.
131.
See, mainly percentage sums. Okay, mainly profit and loss is given. Because, profit and loss is a part of percentage. So what is given is profit and loss. I'm just checking.
So 121.
121 is percentage.
Profit
No,
and loss and percent.
it is actually on profit and loss. But profit and loss we have not yet done. We have done percentage. This is on discount. This is on simple interest. This is also on profit and loss. Okay, yeah, please do this one. Number 158. Wait, I'm sending you. Okay, till the time it opens, you see from here, Ishika. The population of time in town increases geometrically.
Okay,
If
sir, I'm able to see it. I'll do.
okay, okay.
Sir, 158 or 156?
158. The population of town increases geometrically. Are you able to do it, Ishika?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Rate is not given, so I'll take rate as X.
No, you will have to calculate the rate. There are two data given. The population is
Our
10,000
principal
now
is
and it
given
was 8,000 2 years back. Okay.
8,000.
So using
Amount.
this, so that means your principal 2 years back. So your principal is 8,000. Your amount is 10,000. Okay. Your n is 2. You need to find R. Once you get R, you will have to take the principal as 10,000 and the time as 2 years and whatever rate is given and you have to find out the amount. It's a very very easy sum.
Sir, for in the starting we'll take P as 8,000.
Yes, yes. See, there are two information given. Okay, it is given that the population of a town increases. So the moment it says increases, that means what? The there is growth. Okay, we have to use the formula for growth.
Yes,
Now,
I know.
if the population is 10,000 now, so that means the principal is amount is 10,000 and the principal is 8,000. Okay, wait, I'm doing. Okay, so first information. So A is equals to P into 1 plus oof, okay.
Sir, till here I am done.
Yes, now based on the second information, again I'll do the same thing. This is 2. Now, what is the amount I need to calculate? The here the principal is 10,000. Now, what is this thing? This thing, this one. It is this 5 by 4.
5/4.
That is 12500. See, D is the answer. You get my point?
Yes, sir. Sir, but in the question it is not written to find twice.
It is not written, but
Sir, to find the root twice, like you
what?
have done twice. Once you took
Huh, huh.
P as 8,000, then
Yes,
once you
yes,
took.
yes. Because see, I have been given to find out this, right? But for that I need this, right? How will I get this? With the help of the first information. With the help of this information, the population of a town increases geometrically if the population is 10,000 now and was 8,000 2 years back. Now see, imagine this is the timeline. Okay, today is 2024. So in 2022, it was 8,000. Okay, now it is 10,000. Okay, and it has increased at r% per annum. Okay, you have been asked to find out what is the population after 2 years, that is 2026. Okay, you have been asked to find out what was the population after 2 years. So you need, with the help
Sir,
of these two information, you need this. Then only you will be able to find out this, right?
sir, but over here you didn't take A as 8,000.
Huh? Where did I take A? I took P as 8,000. So if I consider this
No,
part,
in the second step.
yeah, in the second step, this 8,000 came down. 10,000 by 8,000. Okay, so it became
Not
10 by
here.
8. So on cancelling, we got 5 by 4.
Not here, sir. In this method.
In this one,
The right one.
this one.
Yes, sir.
So here I took
Yes,
the
sir.
principal as 10,000.
But you didn't take A as 8,000 by?
No, why will I take 8,000? Because here A is this one on in 2006 that I need to find out. Okay, when I'm taking this particular information at that time, this is my A and this is my P. All right. So that I can find out A R. Now the rate of increment is same r%. Here my A is unknown. This is what I need to find out, and my principal is 10,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Done. Should I move on to the next one?
No, sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. So in 2018, only this question was on percentage. Now we will do LOD2 of Arun Sharma that we were doing last year. Okay. I have chosen some very good sum of LOD2 Arun Sharma, and we will also touch upon LOD3 today if time permits. So this week we will target to complete percentage. Okay. Okay. So level of difficulty two. Last year we did question number one only, right? Ishika,
Yes, sir.
till where we did? What was the last time we did?
Sir,
I
only
think.
one video.
Okay, okay. Try out number three. Try out number 3. After receiving two successive hikes, Karun's salary became equal to 15 by 8 times of his initial salary. By how much percent was the salary raised the first time? If the second time was raised, was twice as high in percentage as the first. Do you have any problem in understanding this sum?
No, sir.
Okay, please try quickly. Should I do it?
No, sir, I'm doing.
Hmm. The reason why I'm asking you so frequently because you need to reduce the calculation time now, okay? You need to speed up.
Sir, here we will take initial salary as X
Hmm?
and the current salary as 15 by 8x.
Right? Hmm?
Then we'll add
No, not add. See, how did x become 15 by 8x, right? Okay.
is equals to X.
No, not is equals to x, and this underwent two salary hikes. That is 1 plus k by 100, and that is 1 plus 2k by 100. Okay. These two gets cancelled out. What I need to find it, I need to find out by how much percent was the salary raised the first time. The second hike was twice as this. So uh, okay. Now you see, I'm getting this expression, right? If I try to solve this, I can do that by middle term factorization or by Sridhar method. Okay, but if I do that, that will be long. So what I can do that, I can shift to option method now. You see what are the options given? 15%. Okay, let's keep 15% aside. Let us see the first one, 20%. If I multiply 20 over here, if I put 20 over here, the last value, I mean, I need to check whether this thing gives 4375 or not. All right, that is what I need to find out. Now if I put uh, option as 20%, you see this RHS will give me a value which is 0 at last. Yes or no? When you multiply 20 with 150, what you will get? You will get 3000.
3,000.
When you do 20 square, you get 4000. How will you get 5 at last? Never possible. Right? So option B is not the right answer. Same thing for option D as well.
D also.
Option D also will be opted out. So we are left with 15 and 25. Fine. So now if I say 15, then 15 will give me 2250. Uh, so 15%. Let us put 15 and see. 15 into 15 by 100, and this is, that is 225. I shouldn't put 15 by 100 because k is 15 itself. So that is 2250
It take
plus
only
225.
15.
So if I put, I'll get 24 something. So definitely C should be my answer. Okay. So if I go down and check the answer, yeah, C is the answer. Did you understand, Ishika?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you once show me the
Sure,
solution part?
sure. This is question number E, LOD 2.
We will take only K as only 15.
Yes, only 15 because K is completely in percentage form. Yeah, see the example. Done, Ishika?
Yes, sir. If we take K as 25, then my answer is coming.
Yes, so K as 25 only. See, when we
Yes, sir.
took K as 15, it is coming what? It is
So
coming to
2475.
2475. So that means he is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you need to know that when to shift to option method and when to calculate. Okay, that's the reason of choosing this sum. Okay, please do number 6.
Okay, sir.
This sum should be done by Venn diagram method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should I do it?
Yes, I am able to do. Just give me 1 minute. Sir, answer is B.
That's right, B. That's right. B is the correct answer. Okay, you did it correct. Very good. Try out number 8. Number 8. How about this, Ishika?
Yeah. Sir, I am trying.
Hmm.
Sir, in this we have to divide the lines into, as it is
See,
said that lines.
see, the total number of characters remains the same. Okay. In the first case, Kaku's project consisted of 25 pages, each of 60 lines with 75 characters on each line. So, what is the total number of characters? 25 into 60 into 75, right? Total number of characters is 25 into 60 into 75. Now, it is given in each case the number of lines is reduced to 55, but the number of characters is increased to 90 per lines. What is the percentage? Now, the number of lines is reduced to 55, but the number of characters increased to 90. Okay, so let the number of pages be x. So what is happening in both the cases, total number of characters is same.
Number of pages I took as x. Then
Yes, so in the first case 25 into 60 into 75 is equals to x into 55 into 90. Okay, you are saying something, Rishika? I cannot hear you properly.
sir, 11.
So 11 2 is a 22. So etc. Now this is 23. Why? Because 22.7 cannot be the number of pages. It is 23. Now it is given what is the percentage change in the number of pages. So earlier it was 25. Now it is 23. Earlier it was 25 divided by 25 into 100%. So minus 2 by 25 minus 8%. So 8% decrease. C is the answer. You understood, Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy that.
Done, sir.
Now do number 11.
Sir, what is the meaning of inclusive of sales
Hmm.
tax?
Hmm. So so Praveen requests the shopkeeper to reduce the cost of the sofa, that is 13,080 rupees, that is the original cost, and on top of that 10% sales tax is going to be added at any cost. Now he tells that please reduce the cost of the sofa so that on adding sales tax he needs to pay 13,080 only. Okay.
Sir, answer is B, 9.09%, or C.
No, you have to tell one. You cannot say B or C.
Sir, C.
The answer is B. The answer is B. Yes.
Sir,
See,
my answer is coming 90.90%.
yeah, so 90.90%. No, there are some percentage problems. Okay, so it shouldn't be 90%. I mean, the software cannot reduce the cost of the sofa by 90%, right? That means almost reducing it to half. That cannot be done. So there is some problem in your calculation. So I'm doing it once. You are going in the right direction, but okay. So this is what she wants to pay. Okay, and this is what the price she wants. On top of that, she wants to pay 10% sales tax.
Sir, I'll solve now.
You got 9.01. 9.01, that's fine. Good. You're doing good today, Shika. Okay, try out 13. This is also very easy. This is also very, very easy.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in this we have to add 65 plus 82 I have done. Then I have to sociology is marks as x. So 65 plus 82 plus x is
No,
divided by 2.
why are you adding the percentages?
Sir,
Okay,
because I have
okay.
converted.
Got it. Yes, correct.
Then
65 plus
after
82.
65 plus 82 plus x by 250, the total marks
Mm-hmm.
is equal to 78 by 100.
Yes, that is correct. 65 plus 80 plus what is the minimum percentage? It is
65 plus
plus
82
8.
plus x by 250
Yes, x by
was
250, that is
100
correct,
100.
equals to 78 by 100. You need to find out x. That's correct.
This equation is correct.
Yes, it is correct.
So then I'm adding calculation mistake now.
But remember this x that you are calculating, this is the marks that the student has got in sociology. Okay, you have to find out the percentage at last. So you find out x first.
Sir, 96%.
You are correct, Ishika. That's really good. Actually, today I want to complete this Arun Sharma part of percentage. Okay, including LOD 3. Once we complete that, we will we will keep the next day only for question answer. Question paper. So math question paper we did one question, and from cat question paper we will do few questions. Okay, so your everything will be completed for percentage. Let me find some question. Okay, try out number 22. Okay, the reason why I'm giving 22 is that you can see 21 is of similar type that we did earlier. The cost of food accounted for 25% of the income of the particular family. If the income is raised by 20%, then what should be the percentage? Okay, decrease in expenditure, etc. Right, this we have done earlier. So that is why not 21, do 22.
Sir, can you forward me the sum in WhatsApp?
Hmm, I did that. I posted it in the group. See, just oh, it is still going. Net speed is I don't know why, but the internet speed is very slow. It is gone. See,
Yes, sir, I received it. So what is the formula of surface area of the cube?
So
Length
surface
into
area of a
breadth
cube
into
is
height.
6a square.
Length into breadth into height.
No, 6a square.
6
Yeah, length into breadth into height is always volume. Surface area is 6a square. If the length, breadth, and height of a cube are decreased and increased by 5%, 5%, 20% respectively, then what will be the impact on the surface area of the cube?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, over here we'll take length as x minus 5%. So x minus 5 by 100.
See, all the dimensions are same in a cube, okay? All the dimensions are same. So you can, for simplicity, you can take length, breadth, height as 10. Why? See, I've been asked that what will be the impact on the surface area, whether increase or decrease. So you can take each side as 10. Okay. So what is the initial surface area?
6.
6a square. That means 600. Okay. Now final values, uh, increase by, so 10 plus 5%, that means 0.5, so 10.5. Okay, breadth is decreased by 9.5, and then height is again increased by 20%. Okay, then what will be the impact on surface area? Now, so 10.5 into 19.5 into 12. now that I can calculate easily. Why I'm telling calculate easily? Because you will have the calculator. Okay, so this much calculation you can do. So 4 3s are 425s are 5 5s are 521s are 519s are. So
Sir, the length will be 15, no?
length will
Because
be what?
100 is 15.
No,
1
here
5.
there is one 10 at the bottom.
Sir, 5 by 100 into 100.
10 plus 5 by 10. Yes, 5 by 100 into 100. This is not 100, this is 10. I have taken the length breadth height as 10. Okay, this is 117. So this is the old surface area, this is the new surface area. So of course there is increment, and divided by 600. So it is going to be 597 by 600 into 100. So it's going to give me 6. Oh, okay. The first one is decreased. It is decreased. Okay. The second one is also decreased. Oh, so then this calculation becomes wrong. Okay, now you see here you have an application of a shortcut. You remember you have 95 square into 12 by 100, right? So what is 95 square? Tell me. What was
5
95 square?
square.
Yes. You remember that shortcut that I taught you?
8125.
No. 9, multiply 9 with the next number, that is 10. So 9025.
902.
Yeah. So now this much you can do with calculator, because it will be provided with calculator. So it is 1083. Okay. So percentage increase is going to be 1083 minus 600 divided by 600. Okay.
0.805.
So 8.05. 8.05 is giving me near about C.
8.3.
P is the answer. Okay. this one doesn't remain a cube anymore actually, because when we are changing the length, breadth and height, this doesn't remain cube anymore. So what to do in this case? See, 2 within bracket L plus B, this is actually a part of geometry, so when we will do geometry, this sum will become clearer.
Type of sums will come.
Yes, it is a, see, when you do geometry, this sum will become clearer. Okay, so nothing to fear about. We have geometry as a chapter. So 630.8 minus 600.
So 5.1%. Number B is the answer.
Hmm. This calculation is big over here. This is going to be D. So D is the answer. See, what happened over here is, when you see what is a cube, first of all, a cube is a three-dimensional figure where all the sides are equal. That is a cube, right? Now, when
Yes,
the
sir.
length, breadth, height, all these things changes, it doesn't remain cube anymore. It becomes cuboid. Okay. So the surface area of a cube is 6a square, but surface area of a cuboid is 2 within bracket LB plus BH plus HL. 2 within bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus h into L. So if I put the values LB, BH, HL, then it will become 636.5. Okay. So what is the impact on surface area? So what is the increase in surface area? That is 636.5 minus 600 by original. So that will give me D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is slightly different kind of sum. Number 48. Try out number 48. So Ishika, I just checked in the solution whether there is any shortcut to do this sum, this previous one. Okay, length, breadth, height. I see that the same solution has been done by taking 10 and by finding out the initial and final values, and then finding out the final surface area. The same thing has been done. So there is no way out for that. Okay, we have to go through this calculation method. Anyways, calculator will be there, so we will have to take help from there. Okay, please do this sum. Let me start doing it. Okay, we don't have much time because after this we'll do one LOD 3 and then we'll drop off. Price of a commodity is first increased by X% and then decreased by X%. If the new price is this, find the original price. It's not difficult at all. Okay,
So price of
so
a
this is the new price.
commodity.
Let the original price be P. So it is first increased by X by 100 and then decreased by X by 100. Okay, D is the answer. X, sorry, not K, X. Yeah. Did you understand, Ishka?
Yes, sir.
What did I do over here? Did you understand? From here to here.
Yes, sir.
What formula did I apply? Do you know?
Some percentage.
No,
Uh,
no, this denominator. You see, how did I convert this denominator from 100 plus x into 100 minus x to 100 square minus x square? This is a plus b, a minus b
sir,
form.
because it was like price. Uh,
No, not because of that. It is a plus b, a minus b form. A plus b, a minus b is a
minus
square minus b square, right?
square minus 2 square.
B square. That is what I applied, and it is matching with D.
Sir, but you have used growth formula in the starting.
No, no, no. See,
Why?
this formula is different. This formula, this is not a formula actually. It is actually what is given in the question. Price of a commodity is first increased by X%, then decreased by X%. Okay. If the new price is this, so this is the new price. Let the original price be P. Okay. So increasing by X%, decreasing by X%, and from here I get the expression of P as this. Okay. In the denominator, I see it is given a plus b, a minus b form, which is a square minus b square.
Sir, you gave me one formula to find the increase price when
Huh?
original price or new price was given.
Yes, yes. That is not
We apply
that
that formula.
uh, that first one, right? Yes, yes, yes. This is the same. Okay, okay. Let me tell you the formula for successive percentages. Okay, I think I didn't tell you this thing. Okay. See, when successive percentages are given, okay, that means what? If x is say first increased by say R1%, then decreased by R2%, okay, then again increased by R3%, dot dot dot, like this. Okay, it is going on till Rn percent, increase, decrease, decrease, increase, whatever. So what is the final price? Final price is x into, you see the first one is increased by, so 1 plus R1 by 100, then decreased by 1 minus R2 by 100, then again increased by 1 plus R3 by 100, dot dot dot, it goes on like this. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept of successive percentage.
Okay, sir.
So here in this particular sum, the price is first increased by x% and then decreased by x%. So that means successive is there. So first of all plus and then minus. 1 plus x by 100 and then 1 minus x by
Sir,
100.
can you show me the formula once more?
Yeah, sure. We will frequently use this formula in case of compound interest and profit and loss.
Sir, done.
Hmm. Okay. So this sum you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So last sum for today, we will go to LOD 3. Yeah. So we can just see LOD 3 is, I mean, not needed for you as well as for cat, but since, I mean, I want to train you for the maximum difficulty level, okay, so that nothing remains difficult for you guys. Okay, LOD 3 is not even given in cat also, but it's better to practice. Okay, so when you practice when you do LOD 3, then that means you have practiced in the ultimate level. You are ready for any sort of exam on percentage.
Okay, sir.
Try out. Okay, let me do it. Okay, because it's already 10 and I'm feeling very hungry. Okay, so see, the price of raw material has gone up by 15%. Labor cost has also increased from 25% of the cost of the raw material to 30% of the cost of raw material. Okay, by how much percentage should there be a reduction in the usage of raw material so as to keep the cost same? So what is happening, that the price of raw material per piece has gone up, labor cost has also gone up. Okay, by how much should I reduce the usage
Yes,
of
sir.
raw material so as to keep the cost same? Okay, fine. Let me divide the page into pieces. Okay, so you see the cost. What is cost? Is the total cost. Total cost, okay, is directly proportional to what? The price of raw material per piece. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what is going to be the total cost? It is going to be equals to price of raw material per piece. So let me write down the variables. Okay, let P be per piece, L be the original labor cost. Okay, and N is the number of units of consumption. Okay, these are initial. So what is the initial cost? P is the price of the raw material per piece, so P into number of pieces, that is N, plus the labor cost is L. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
let P remain as it is, N is as it is, but what is the labor cost? The labor cost is 25% of the material cost, that is 25% of, okay, 25% of the cost of the raw material, that is P, right? Now let me make it a little bit easy. Let this P, that is the price of raw material, be rupees 100 per piece, so as to reduce the number of variables. So what will be C? 100 into N plus 25 by 100 into, okay, okay, into N, into N. So that gives me 125 N. That is the initial cost. Final cost. Price has gone up 30, to 30%. So that means this becomes 130 into N2 plus 25 by 100 into 130 into N2. Sorry, 30% rate.
Sir, 16.3 is coming.
Right. 16.3, that is close to 17%.
17%.
So now let me tell you these things. You see initial values, okay? Let P be the price of the raw material, L be the original price, and L be the original labor cost, N is the number of units. So initial case is what? So what is going to be the total cost? Total cost is price of each raw material into number of units plus the labor cost, right? P is the price of
Yes,
each
sir.
raw material into number of material, number of units you're consuming plus the labor cost. So what it is becoming? Pn plus, now what is L? L is 25% of,
Labor.
you see it is given that labor cost is 25% of the cost of raw material. Okay, so 25% of
Yes.
P into N. That now, if I take so many variables, it will become difficult. I can take P as 100. If I take that, then and if I put it over here, 100N plus 25 by 100 into 100N, that is giving me 125N. Now what is the final
And
cost? The final cost is P2 is, you see it is increasing by 15%. So 100 plus 15 by 15% of 100, which is 115. What is the labor cost? Labor cost is uh, 30% of the cost of raw material. So 115 is the cost of per piece into, I am multiplying N2 and then 30%, which is this value. This is the final labor cost. So what is the total cost? Total cost is P2. What is P2? P2 is 115 into N2 plus what is L2? L2 is 34.5 into N2. If I add both of them, I'll get 149.5 N2. Okay. Now it is given that the cost has to be same to keep the cost same. Okay, so 125 N is equals to 149.5 N2. So from there what I get N2 is equals to 125 N by 149.5. That's it. Now I need to find out that what is the decrease in consumption. So N minus N2 by N into 100%. N2 is 125 N by 149.5. So if I put the values and just calculate, I'll get 16 point something, which is 17%. Did you understand, Shika?
yes, sir.
You have any questions?
Sir, is there any other method to solve this sum?
See, this is the shortest method that I showed you. See, this is level of difficulty 3. Okay, there are, I mean, 1% chance that this type of sums will come. I mean, forget about math. In math, they will not give. You can be 100% sure about that. I am telling you from the perspective of CAT. Okay, if any time you think of writing a CAT exam, okay, if this year or maybe that next year, so you will still have that material ready with you. You don't have to go for a coaching again.
Sir.
You get my point? What I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for math exam we just did one sum and you saw how small that was. But this is
Yes,
for
sir.
CAT, ZAT, if you think of giving those exams anytime. Okay, so you will not have to again prepare again. You have to don't have to go for CAT tuition. No, you will, whatever we are doing, it is covering your math exam, in math, ZAT, CAT, everything. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we will just do one more class on percentage, uh, which will be tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, same time. And tomorrow we will complete some questions from past year question papers of CAT. Okay, and we will be done
Okay,
with
sir.
percentage. Okay, and we'll move on to next thing. Okay, Ishika. So let's keep till here.